TELOLET OM.
So this morning, wait, that doesn't feel right. So I just woke up. The world decided to go crazy over something. I knew this thing is going to be like a buzz, just a little buzz. But then I sleep and I woke up and the world decided to say, nope, that's not how we do it. I should do what I can do best, and this is my take on it. Happy watching.
This is the end of cyber this report. Please contact the second.
The highest rate of radiation on this tiny, pitiful rock. And the fact they never tell you that when your hair starts to fall out with radiation poisoning, it's a secret with it. They never tell you that in the
OM TELOLET OM.
itu adalah usahanya Minyo untuk mengikuti tren Om Telolet Om. Okay. Yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of video, hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to also follow me on another social media under @minyo33. Alright then, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.